Hey guys, today I will be showing you my collection so far in Skylanders. It's not completed. Not anything special, but so this is what I got. We got Freight Rider right here. We got Prison Break, Lycor, Flash Wing, Double Trouble, Sprocket, Whirlwind, Special Glow in the Dark Cinder, Drill Sergeant, Trigger Happy, Jet Vac, Legendary Stealth Elf, Pop Fizz, Slam Bam right here, Moon Hot Dog right here, Sonic Boom right there, and it got this cool layout. It's like regular Skylanders, small Skylanders I call them, versus giant Skylanders. And I got my two top guys right here. On the portal. Yeah, I got this cool layout of all the regular Skylanders, and then my two top right here, Moon Hot Dog and Sonic Boom, my two favorite, Moon Hot Dog and Sonic Boom, Bouncer and T-Rex right here, trying to defeat all of my regular Skylanders. This guy's gun reminds me of honey. So yeah, I will be doing one day some gameplay of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Get ready for that, and I will see you guys later. It's just an update video of my Skylanders and everything.